This is the CLIDE podcast series, the only channel for all your safety performance improvement needs. Tune in every week to upgrade your knowledge as we bring industry experts on various interesting topics. Hello and welcome to the CLIDE podcast. My name is Lisa, and I am the host of today's episode. Today's topic is data-driven decision-making to improve safety performance. We have all heard the term data analytics, right? Data is everywhere. From videos you watch, content you read, and products you buy. With the rise of data, organizations are finding ways to utilize it to drive business decisions. No matter what type, size, or sector, every company is making decisions by adding utmost importance to data. Be it human resources, sales, or customer service, companies are putting lots of effort into data to drive growth, build relationships, and improve their products. The good news is that you can even use data to make smart decisions and improve your safety performance. In this podcast, we will explain how companies can use safety data analytics, how it can help improve safety performance, and why it is so important in the modern business world. Let's welcome Mr. John, a safety expert on data analytics. Mr. John is designed using a machine learning program and is trained on various data analytics models. He actively works as your data assistant in the CLIDE Analyzer EHS app and helps you analyze your safety-related data. His amazing capability helps you develop your own predictive model to reduce incidents in the workplace. Mr. John, you have been working on data analytics for a very long time. Can you tell us about what is data-driven decision-making?
Firstly, thanks Lisa, for inviting me to this wonderful episode. To put it simply, data-driven decision-making is a systematic process that collects relevant data by analyzing facts and patterns from insights and deploying them to create several strategies and activities that benefit the business in various areas. In simple words, when we talk about safety data-driven decision-making, it is about putting effort and working toward a goal by collecting, analyzing, and mining safety-related data to make future decisions. In the earlier times, several safety professionals worked on intuition, which led them to waste time and budget. This is where safety data decision-making came in. In today's time, robust business intelligence tools and data science made decision-making even simpler.
John, that was really good to learn about data-driven decision-making. Can you tell us more about why safety-related data-driven decision-making is essential for business?
Safety-related data plays a vital role in multiple ways, but one area, which is directly visible for business growth, is improving safety performance. It helps companies develop future safety strategies, identify high-risk areas, analyze future trends, and create actionable insights. Data-driven decisions can make or break your company. The primary reason behind this is constant changes in the digital world. With this ever-changing landscape, it's your primary duty to leverage safety-related data and make uniform business decisions to achieve your zero-harm vision. Companies that adopt safety data-driven decision-making process treat information as valuable assets compared to companies with arguable approaches. According to wonderful research done recently, 60% of best-in-class companies base their decisions more on information, while laggard companies base a worryingly high 70% of their decisions on gut feel. Data-driven decision-making is a significant way to obtain a competitive advantage by improving the Safety Performance Index and reducing accident expenses.
That was really wonderful insight, John. I am interested in knowing one important thing here, John. How to use safety-related data to drive smarter business decisions.
Lisa, that's a wonderful question, but before stepping into making business decisions, you must make a well-detailed plan of action that includes finding safety-related data and interpreting it to make correct business decisions. Here are 5 effective steps that will help you start safety-related, data-driven business decisions. Step 1. Set your goals and organize it. Step 2. identify, and collect essential safety data. Step 3. Analyze data and identify patterns or trends. Step 4. Visualize your data and strategize. Step 5. Measure success and progress. Let us understand the steps in more detail. The first step to make your business data-driven is to set meaningful safety-related goals and make conscious decisions. It's essential to think about your business goals at the core. When you're planning and making effective decisions, you must initiate with the essential goal. For example, let's say you're looking for employees to report more safety observations. In this case, collecting more safety observations is the utmost priority. While researching, you find that 15% of employees are reporting observations, and in that 9% are reported by the safety department. Thus, the primary goal will be to increase the number of observations from employees. Once you've planned and decided the major things, all you need is relevant data to proceed further. The second step, once you've set goals, the next step is to identify and collect the correct essential safety data. We all know it takes time to obtain relevant data for your business. Spending hours on data that doesn't impact the final decision will be a waste of time. Collect only relevant safety data that aligns with your business goals. Looking back at our safety observation reporting example, you can use various techniques to identify the reason behind less reporting percentage. These can be: 1. Conduct a survey about the observation process. 2. Collect feedback on barriers related to observation. 3. Challenges faced by employees while reporting. Collecting all relevant data from employees will help you improve the reporting process by either removing the barriers or by creating an effortless process for observation reporting. The third step. Once you've collected relevant data, the next step is to see historical data and identify trends and patterns essential for your business goals. You can use several robust business intelligence systems to carry out analytical reports and meaningful insights and create a seamless experience. With the CLIDE Analyzer EHS app, you can identify the various trends on why employees are not reporting safety observations. Many visual elements, like pie diagrams, charts, and graphs, can help you understand all the major trends and outliers. The fourth step. Once you've analyzed your data, with the help of charts, bars, or graphs, the next step is to visualize your data. Visualizing data is key in data-driven decision-making, as it adds life to your efforts on findings. You can use a bar chart for comparative analysis, or pie charts for data visualization, to gain better insights. With this, you'll be able to know the reasons or barriers why observations are not reported. The analysis will help you to find the trends that will help you resolve the issues for reporting. With relevant analytical reports, you'll have the opportunity to create a correct and stronger data plan of application to transform your decision into practice. The fifth step. The process of making a business data-driven doesn't stop at the conclusion point. There's more to go. By repeating the explained steps and following them, you'll be able to use correct data and create better key performance indicators or set benchmarks for an existing business.
John, these 5 steps are the key to creating a data-driven decision-making process in any organization. I am confident our listeners will be able to apply the steps explained by you in detail and with relevant examples. One last, final thought, John, before we end our session.
To conclude, I would like to say that, while several businesses are making steady progress towards digital transformation, companies need to make data as their primary companion. It's because data is a critical enterprise asset that every organization should embrace. After all, hard facts won't be of much value when it comes to the decision-making process. Getting started with a safety data-driven decision-making process will initially be challenging, but with regular practice, it'll prove to be the best way to improve your safety business performance index in long run.
Thank you, John, for your valuable insights on how companies can use the power of data-driven decision-making process to improve safety performance. Stay tuned to our CLIDE podcast channel as we bring interesting topics which can help you improve safety at your workplace. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.